Hello there, welcome back to The Closet Historian. Today I have a few holiday party inspired retro and vintage outfits for you all, starting with this plaid skirt and sweater combo, a classic in my opinion. I've pinned on a kitschy ribbon holiday brooch here though, and you can learn how to make these in an old blog post of mine that I will link in the description below. I think these are really fun and festive, and you can't really get away with wearing anything this kitschy the rest of the year, so might as well go for it now while you can. Of course, this same idea works with other silhouettes as well, here with a circle skirt and a petticoat underneath. This skirt is actually from Vivian of Holloway, so I will link them in the description as well because they are a great place to pick up circle skirts. Of a more pinup persuasion, of course. And I just have a soft knit top paired with this, and then patent leather accessories. I think patent leather lends a very good like Santa-ish touch to holiday outfits, so I have that going for us here. And I've continued the patent leather into this next more pinup outfit. This is a good one for, if you have to run around wrangling children, I suppose, on the holidays, or just want to feel more comfortable in some trousers, high-waisted of course. I have a big gold bauble earring on too for that holiday festive touch here. I think it helps continue the late 50s, 60s vibe this outfit has going for it. And then I have one of my classic button-back little kimono sleeve blouses that I love to make, or tops I suppose. I've made one here on the channel before, so I will link that in the description again as well. Even though that one was a bit of a disaster fail, we'll see it come up later in this lookbook. This one serves me well during the holidays. I like pairing it with black, red, with white. Of course, the plaid, you can pair it with any of the colors in the plaid, which is why tartan plaid is always so nice to have around. Good for, the holiday luncheon at work or office parties, things like that. But if you want to go the full, looks like you work at Disneyland sort of route or are going caroling, feel free to try a vest, a waistcoat, as I've been so enamored with here on the channel recently. This time I've paired it with a white silk blouse and then a plaid skirt. Plaid pleated skirts show up a lot in this lookbook and in my winter wardrobe in general. Of course, this is a little bit like some sort of attendant at Disneyland or Mary Poppins wannabe, but if you can't go kitsch during Christmas, when can you? And keeping with the kitschy, here's a very Christmas card sort of outfit here with the red circle skirt and black 1950s jacket paired with white accessories and green as well. I paired the patent clutch with the shiny buttons on this jacket, so everything does still tie together. Of course, the scarf and the gloves matching and the shoes and the hat matching help keep everything in balance. But it's another outfit that might work for something outdoors, perhaps, if it's not too cold where you live. But for something a little bit more formal, let's bring out my green taffeta skirt that I made this year, or fixed this year. And then this is the striped kimono button-back blouse that I made last year here on the channel. However, the star of the show are these shoes from Bait Footwear. They are metallic faux leather. I have them both in candy apple red and in this Jaguar Racing green here, which are perfect for the holidays. I will link those, again, in the description below. But again, you can see me flail around trying to make this top last year here on the channel if you want to, so I will link that in the description. But just a really fun taffeta, shining, colorful outfit for the holidays here. Of course, you can't go wrong with the little black dress, perhaps dressed up with some sparkling rhinestone and gold dress clips here, a stack of gold bracelets, a gold lame clutch, and those candy apple red shoes again. These clutch handbags are quite easily found on Etsy or eBay in different colors of lame. I have a silver and a gold, as you can see here, but usually you can find them for under $20, and they make a great gift as well. But the little black dress, of course, is a classic for a reason and can be dressed up in oh so many ways. And there's always the option of a velvet holiday dress. You can't go wrong here. It's a classic for a reason around this time of year. This one is in a lovely grayed out blue kind of color, almost like a cold winter morning. And I've paired that with that lame clutch again and some silver shoes and of course some rhinestone jewelry. This is clear or white sparkling rhinestone jewelry. Again, pretty easy and expensive to pick up on Etsy or eBay. And again, another great gift option. So if you're thinking of what to get another retro loving person in your life, some rhinestone jewelry never goes amiss. It's not always the most practical thing, not something everyone would buy for themselves. And then again, I've got that taffeta top, but this time with a full-length black circle skirt. That's right, I finally made myself a full-length black circle skirt. I'm not exactly sure where I would wear something this formal, but it gave me an excuse to bring out my tiara again and swish around, so I'm always happy to do that. Let's be honest, really, I'm just having too much fun playing around with the huge sweep of this skirt. It's far too much fun, very twirlable. I mean, if a regular circle skirt is twirlable, the full-length version is just as so. I need to figure out a full-length petticoat for this guy. Thank you all for tuning in today. I hope you like these holiday-inspired retro looks, and I will see you all again here on the channel real soon. Bye.